What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger. All right, it's not really a banger though, because we have more issues with Leticia, guys. So let's go ahead and plug in the battery. This is a KT LCD3. So when you turn it on, right, the bike looks normal, but when you scroll over to the voltage, right, the voltage reading, it reads 66.7. Now, as you guys know, I have a 72 volt battery and it should not be reading 66, especially if it's full. And then the other thing that happens, right, is when I hit the throttle and the bike is under load, the screen kind of flickers and then the whole bike just shuts down. So let me see if I can do it right now. Give me a second. All right, it didn't work, but trust me, like after you like let it ride for a little bit, and then probably after like 10 minutes, it'll start just shutting down. So it's not gonna work. I ended up ordering the proper LCD, which is a SW900. That should be coming soon, but in the meantime, I wanted to try something. And guess what it is, guys? Old Faithful. The model is a M5 LCD, if you guys are wondering. We're gonna try it out. It has the same connection, so it should fit. The question is it gonna actually work with a 72 volt battery? So let's go ahead and hook it up and see. Boom, LCD is connected. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, so that works. It's showing full charge. So that is our actual voltage, 81.4, which looks about right. Okay, when you fully charge a 72 volt battery, I think it's like 84 volts. Okay. So that works. We're not getting no type of speed reading though. Let's see if it picks up the current. All right, well, the screen is not flickering. We're gonna go ahead and tidy everything up and take it for a little ride and see how she does. All right, let's go. All right, so yeah, we're on Leticia. She is finally working, guys. Look at her. Oh yeah. And check this out. Boom, Electric XP. Now, here's the issue with using the Electric XP stock LCD screen. For some reason, Electric locks a lot of the settings in the menu. So for example, the setting to change the voltage from 48 volts to 72 volts, I can't do that. I can't change the battery cutoff, like the low battery cutoff. I can't change the amount of amps being put through it, but even though I can't do that, it's still putting out max amps. So it's kind of weird. Like I can't change the settings, but the bike is working just fine. Another setting I can't change is the speed sensor, or whatever that setting is, speed signal. So currently we don't know how fast we're going. And then I don't know if the battery gauge is accurate or not. It's saying we have full power, full battery, but I don't know if the notches are gonna like go down as the battery drains or not. We'll see. But the good thing about the screen is it monitors the volts. So right now we're sitting at 81, like 80 volts right now. All right, so we'll monitor that so we don't damage the battery. But yeah, let's get into the ride. I'm excited. California road. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys on the route that I actually took when I ended up crashing the bike. The first part of it is perfectly fine. It wasn't until I got to the dirt where it got a little scary. But I'll let you guys know where that is on the ride. Like, check this out. Going 37 miles per hour with ease. I already know I'm about to get a lot of hate for that. Check this out, we got the police out here looking for your boy, but you can't catch me. You don't know I got 3,000 watts on this bad boy. Ooh, what was that? We just ran over some glass. Hopefully we ain't got no flat. That would be horrible. We were too far. All right, so look, we currently going uphill. I'm not even doing full blast on the throttle. Maintaining 22 miles per hour easily. Dude, like, this is a must. Here we go. We're gonna try to race this truck. They can't even catch us. So this is a cool little spot if you want to just chill by yourself. So yeah, look at this little spot. Super dope. Come on now. This is like a little racetrack. Come on, Urban Grizzly, you trying to race or what? Randy rides the dual motors. Y'all don't want it? Y'all don't want the race? Speaking of, yeah, we need to set that up. Me and Urban Grizzly, we're gonna do a race. We're gonna see if his dual motors is faster than my 3,000 watts. Well, I know my top speed is, but we're gonna see like as far as acceleration is. I think that'll be interesting. So definitely will be taking this to LA Skate. I don't know when, but definitely got to make that happen. All right, let's keep it pushing. So this is like a little secret passageway that I like to do. It's like a little cut through to like a little secret park in the middle of a neighborhood. I like this little spot. I don't know if e-bikes are allowed on this part, but who cares? Hopefully we don't get no flat. Ah! Whew. All right, let's slow down. This is about how fast we were going when we fell. And I do not want to fall on this. This is like freaking, I don't know, gravel, like cement, but like rocky. Got me messed up. All right, so look, this is what I do when I see people on trails. All you gotta do is just not hit the throttle and just pedal. That's all you gotta do. And then once the coast is clear, you hit the throttle again. Easy, okay? That's how you don't get cussed out. Ooh, shoot, that was crazy. So here's the secret park. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Easy, easy. I don't wonder if we can make it up this hill. We'll have to try that another day. Not today. We'll try once we get the actual proper LCD screen. Hello. And that's how you do it. Don't ruin it for the rest of us. Yay! This feels good, being able to turn with traffic. Oh my God. You have no idea. Not having to freaking wait at the freaking stoplight forever. And then don't freaking try waiting in the freaking bike lane with no cars sitting with you. The lights will never change. All right, guys. Here is the spot where it all went down. Boom. And I'm not gonna lie, your boy is a little traumatized. Just a little bit, okay? Cause man, that was scary. Okay, just imagine. I was going to, look, 20 miles per hour, boom. All of a sudden, boom, birds come out. Woo! I panic. Woo! Right here into this ditch. Boom, face first. Bike is twisted up. Busted knee, busted hand. We got red ants on the ground trying to attack me. Like, it was a scary sight, okay? So, we're gonna take it easy over here, but I just wanted to, revisit it. We gotta face our fears. I tried to show off, I'm not gonna lie, and I almost freaking fell because of it. I didn't see that freaking... The ground was all messed up, dude. Luckily I got suspension, but Jesus. I'm not gonna lie, my wrist hurt after hitting that bump. I don't know if my wrist is actually broke or not, because it's been 2 weeks and I still have pain in my wrist. It might be broke, I just don't want to go to the hospital. Hopefully, bones just heal on their own. They don't even need casts and stuff. I think that's how it works. Oh! It's super windy. And I was going uphill. That was what, 36 miles per hour uphill? Jesus. Cute little doggy. It is a happy birthday. I feel like we're going faster than 35. That's only 36. Back at home. That's the bike. She's back up and running. She's not 100%, but we can ride her still. Still waiting on the SW900 LCD screen, but for the time being, we're gonna be using the stock electric. And check it out, it is calculating the volts correctly. All right, so I think we're good for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Until the next video, deuces. Like that. Yeah.